A telescope parked a million miles from Earth may have just smelled the breath of distant microbes. Data from NASA's James Webb Space Telescope appear to reveal dimethyl sulfide on Earth, a gas produced almost exclusively by living plankton swirling in the atmosphere of exoplanet K2-18b, 124 light-years away.
We have found signs of biosignature molecules, either DMS or DMDS or both of which are produced uniquely by life here on Earth and have been predicted to be biosignatures on planets around other stars as well.
If confirmed, it would mark the first real hint of life beyond our solar system. K2-18b orbits a dim red dwarf star in Leo and sits in the so-called habitable zone, where liquid water could persist. Larger than Earth, yet smaller than Neptune, the world fits a new class dubbed Hycean planets, ocean-covered globes wrapped in hydrogen-rich air. Previous Webb observations in 2023 spotted methane and carbon dioxide signposts of carbon chemistry, but no smoking gun for biology.
And we found the strongest evidence to date on a biosignature molecule, in this case a combination, potentially around another star outside the solar system.
The quest for a biosignature intensified because Hycean models predict that sulfur-bearing gases such as dimethyl sulfide, DMS, or its cousin dimethyl disulfide, DMDS, would be detectable if plankton-like life thrived in a global ocean. During a fresh 8-hour stare in February, Webb's near-infrared spectrograph captured subtle dips in starlight filtering through the planet's air. When Cambridge astrophysicist Nikku Madhusudan's team matched those dips against thousands of candidate molecules, the best fit included DMS and DMDS at parts per million levels abundances, difficult to explain without biology on an ocean surface below.
And that is a major breakthrough in our search for life beyond the solar system.
Independent analysts, using different retrieval codes, reached the same conclusion, giving the signal roughly 99.7% confidence, just shy of particle physics 5 sigma gold standard. If life truly vents DMS on K2-18b, the planet would prove that biology can thrive under a hydrogen sky, vastly widening the catalog of potentially inhabited worlds. More than 10% of known exoplanets may be Hycean-like. Suddenly, they become priority targets for Webb and future missions, such as NASA's Habitable Worlds Observatory or Europe's Life Telescope.
Not only that there is a chance that the planet can actually be habitable, but what we are finding is that we are demonstrating that it is possible to detect biosignatures around in atmospheres of such planets around nearby stars with existing facilities, and that's a big breakthrough.
Detecting a biological gas on a planet 8 times Earth's mass would also shatter assumptions that only Earth-size, oxygen-rich worlds resemble home. A note of caution. Skeptics urge restraint. Planetary chemists warn that exotic photochemistry in a hydrogen atmosphere could, in principle, manufacture sulfur compounds without life, and Webb's data remains sparse. Only repeated spectra, perhaps during K2-18b's next transit later this year, can push the detection to conclusive certainty. Still, even critics admit the signal is the strongest yet seen for a potential biosignature, transforming a once hypothetical ocean world into the brightest beacon in the search for life beyond Earth.